RGTI stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Rigetti Computing stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. Looking at Rigetti, yeah, this is great, but all I'm looking to do is just hopefully double down and take things higher. Like I was expecting, yes, finally having that second break taking place. Here's the before though, so I just don't think that I'm lying to you. Right here, this was made like 19 hours ago, pre-market yesterday. It was 15.43. I wanted to see a double break so I can take it higher. And guess what happened? We got the double break. Finally going up. This is a guaranteed +0R. That's why it's with 3 dots, because it's pending. It's either going to be a break even or a take profit. We'll see. So very excited about this break even set. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned, like there's a lot of receipts in the Discord, and get my money making blueprint and insights for free, click the first link in the description. It's free.